Let's take the weekend to visit one of my favorite southern cities, Atlanta, Georgia, where we will find some great food, do a little shopping, and see some cool cars. Apologies for the dirty windshield. We're taking a work truck because naturally we have to pick up a car part while we're here. We're also here because Kevin has an appointment with the German consulate, so we're staying at the Marriott Marquis because it's right next door. Also, it's just a really cool hotel. There are so many rooms here. It's about 9 a.m. and we were already able to check in. It's Friday, so I'm actually having to work remotely today. So Kevin went ahead to the consulate and to go pick up the car part on his own. Too bad I couldn't join him. It sounded like it was going to be so much fun. Kevin loves Burger König. A practical joker. But we got McD's actually. And it's a pretty cool toy.
But I would say we don't look that big. How can people build that? Like, how is it possible to build something like that?
As an engineer, what would your first step be to build this?
Maybe buy some rocks and concrete.
He can't just go somewhere without picking up some kind of part or equipment. It's always a fun way to road trip. What can I say though? He always finds a good deal. When visiting Atlanta, we always take the opportunity to go to IKEA.
I'm actually from Sweden.
Don't act like you're Swedish. We're going the wrong way. This is not McDonald's.
Oh, it's shit. No.
Just juice. Now we're just gonna hop over to the Atlantic Station area, which is about 5 minutes away. And really quick, we're gonna get ready and go to the pool to swim for a little bit before it closes. There's a tunnel to the outside world. Oh, and suddenly we're outside. Oh, I love it. It's so cool. Yeah. Now let's go back up to the room and clean up before we go back out for a quick dinner. We opted for Gibney's Pub, which was under a 5-minute walk from the hotel. Pros? Kevin got a shepherd's pie and I got a chicken pot pie. Where's the... These coconut drinks were only $2 per can and really good. It looks good, actually. It looks like it fits there. It's a little foggy this morning. I think that's a Kamala rally down there, but I'm not sure. Seems like a few too many American flags.
Do you feel inspired?
Yeah. Should I build something like that?
Yeah, you should build something like that.
Like always, on our city trips, we hop on the Lime scooters. And now we're heading towards the direction of Midtown. I saw Tim Hortons on the map and just got back from Canada, so I'd like to compare.
I'm so excited to get let down. I have a feeling this is not going to be what we were expecting.
Consensus is that you pay a lot more for a lot less. We decided to take our coffees over across to the Georgia Tech campus and just sit for a minute.
Timbits. How cute. It is very flat. It's not very tall.
It's a really nice campus here and so cool that it's just in the middle of the city like this. And for lunch, we're gonna hop back on over to the Varsity for some classic diner food.
It's nice. Got onion rings, chili dog, burger. Have you ever measured hot dogs in miles before?
And now let's ride back towards the hotel to get the truck and go to the next destination.
Okay, wait, I just walk up the hill.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We never just travel anywhere. We always are going to get something or do something.
You want to travel somewhere?
Gotta make sure it's secure. Mercedes is such an ugly brand. Oh my gosh. Would you ever drive a Mercedes?
No, I never.
And would you even call it Mercedes?
No.
How do you call it?
Mercedes.
Mercedes. Interesting.
The next stop is the Porsche Experience Center. It was only $5 each to have access to this main building here and to see the museum.
They do the restorations of all Porsches here. You can bring it and they restore it again.
Oh. Wow, that's crazy.
That's me.
Sorry. What?
That's you. That's me.
And that's Archie.
That's Archie.
feel like I'm picking a nail color.
They have this nice cafe here, and it's all reasonably priced. Now let's go out to the viewing area and watch the cars on the track.
Sounds nice.
Sounds nice.
Beautiful planes. Going out.
Yeah.
The sound is so good.
You like that
Yeah,
sound?
the sound is good.
The cheapest driving experience was $500 for a 718 Cayman, and the most expensive was for the GT3 RS for $1,625, and that's for 90 minutes. Now, I'm not really sure of all the differences in all these cars, but Kevin sure knows.
But doesn't it feel good to be driving your truck again?
It's amazing.
All right, let's start heading home. On the way out of Atlanta, we'll stop in a Lidl, which is a German grocery store chain similar to Aldi. They're usually only in larger metro areas in the States, though.
It's both.
The German came to a German store.
We actually spent a ton of time here. They had so many deals on meat and other things, so I just stocked up. And that wraps up our trip to Atlanta.